My name is Joe and today I'm introducing the Medworx COVID kit. This is protecting key workers, doctors and nurses, and it's now available for you. Let's take a look inside. So the first key part of this kit is the face shield. There are three key points to what makes this face shield high quality. Number one is it's made with an optically clear anti-fog medical grade plastic with a belt strap on the back with adjustability. Number two, the foam is medical grade. This means it's non-porous and does not harbour any bacteria on it. Number three, the whole piece can be easily wiped down as it's all medical grade. The kit includes some nice personalisation stickers which can be easily applied to the top strip of the face shield. So as well as two face shields, our kit also comes with two medical grade masks. Our masks are FFP2, which essentially means it keeps out 95% of all airborne particles. The key focus of our Medworx COVID kit is quality and reliability. We are manufacturing in the UK and we have all the CE certification for these products. For more information, head to medworx.co.uk. Thank you very much for watching and stay safe.